No, you gotta get down and on. Gray, are you hopping on here or are you getting in the sled? You ready, Pen? All right, we are on our way down to the harbor. It is beautiful and calm. Stephen really gets dressed up for these occasions. I mean, like he does all the fashion. Oh gosh. This is how we work. We have running lines that we attach the boat to when we come back. And so then we push the boat back out into the water and leave it. And then we pull those. Is tide going in or out?
I don't know.
Oh, that's good. Super. We don't know.
Tide's going out.
All right. We don't want to get stuck over here all day, so you know.
I gotcha. So we gotta pull this thing out here.
We have been really good friends with Even since Stephen and I mean, before we were married. I knew Even, and before really I knew Stephen. And anyway, so we've traveled to Cambodia and Thailand together, Hong Kong, I mean like all over the place. And now Stephen and Even are owners of the Even Stephen. So they bought the boat together and use it all the time, all the time. Oh, I hear cows. Oh, there they are. So we are trying to successfully fly airplanes, and I'm terrified that we're going to continue to try and send all of our airplanes into the ocean because we're right here, but really, the ocean is right there. Oh boy. Oh, it's going up. Oh, now it's down. Down. But have you, don't put it in the ocean, Fletcher. It's so high, Fletch. Loop it, Fletch. Ah, it's gonna hit me in the face. Oh, you did it. Get away from the ocean, Fletcher. Fletcher, bring it over here. Wrong way.
Go that way.
Okay, and you're barely up. Is this good?
Yeah, there you
Bring it in, buddy.
Landon!
go. Don't land it right in your face, honey.
It's landing! Oh,
Woo!
no!
Oh, the cow. Oh my goodness, there they go. Ah! Fletch.
Bring it in easy, Clint.
Oh my goodness. Fletcher Charles!
He's gonna relax and everybody will Kodiak.
Whoa! What do we think? This is my old bottle cap. We've had her since she was 24 hours old. And Johnny told me we either had to butcher her or send her to Woody Island because her footprint was too heavy over on Kodiak. So she's living all the best life over here.
Hey, let go of that. Hey, no, don't eat that. Don't eat that, Kelly. He's eating a glove.
I cannot believe that he knows what he's doing. Oh my goodness, Steven's trying to ride Rocket, and I'm sure that he's gonna fall off. I mean, he's 40. He just turned 40 this week. He might be too old. You're gonna get bucked off. He's got it in his eyes. I mean, you're calling him a she.
He's living close to death.
No, he's not.
Okay, here we go. Come on. Here we go. All right, here we go.
Hey! Can this be the get along gang, please?